So, welcome back to the wall. This will probably be part 2 because it just takes so long. Basically, it's all the old mortar has been taken out enough so the wall don't fall down, and it's also given me enough to put new mortar back in. It's going to be a different colour. That's why I'm trying to get rid of so much. Bit of history, I guess. The middle of our house is 17 something, and the front of our house is 18 something because Deborah found it on a Napoleonic map. The middle part, well, no, the back part had they had a fire at some point. And it would probably been a lean-to building or something like that. So that was replaced probably in the 1960s, 70s, something like that. Anyway, the point I'm trying to make, I don't know how old the wall is. I have no clue when it was built. Maybe everything that burnt down got moved into the garden and that brought the level up, and maybe they put another wall in. I have no clue whatsoever. None. Apart from, I mean, when this was occupied in World War II, our town, before they left, they burnt all the documents, and it's pretty well the same all over France. If you want some sort of history of a house, it can be really hard to find that history. It's not like other places in the world where you get, like our house in Australia, we had a whole history from its inception to who bought it, sold it, and all that sort of thing. So I don't know how old this is. Could be 100 years. I doubt. I mean, that's kind of where I'd be thinking it is. So it was kind of time for all the old mortar to come out and go back up again. So you never know what goes on with these houses. But here it is. So I'm going to do a little bit more cleaning out, and then it's going to be time to start pointing it. It's Easter Friday today, which is not a holiday in France like it is in other places I've lived in other countries. They don't make a holiday out of it. I think they have a day off on Monday. I can't remember. But don't worry, in May they'll have 3. There'll be 3 holidays. But anyway, all the footage you'll get from now on will be putting the wall back together. The fun of it.
No rest for the wicked.
Sorry?
No rest for the wicked.
No, hell no. Wicked me.
That's nice.
Easter Monday morning. Done. It's a beautiful thing. Bar to clean up. There we go. So Deborah said I should probably give you an outro or a bit of a wrap up. There is the wall. In all its glory. It's lost a lot of its character, but I mean it'll hold up now for another 50, 60 years or something like that, however long it's been there. I already had to, that was a couple of years old, that piece there. Had to reinstate that because that had fallen apart, so that's part of the reason we can't, another part of the reason I can't age this wall. If you look at that, these 3 holes would have had bars in them and there would have been a window. So who knows where they got the pieces from. But yeah, so that was it. It took all the old mortar out, lime based, cleaned it all up and then put in new lime based mortar, 3-to-1 mixture if anyone's interested, 3 sand, 1 lime. That's it. Glad it's over. It'll take a couple of years and it'll age down. It'll look less new. like you do as you start to age. You look less new. Alright, and on to the next project. Which will be that. Which I don't need to videotape for you. That's just the last piece I got left. Right. Oh, you stinker. I've made cinnamon rolls. Oh. So that'll be dessert. The garden this week has just changed in like 5 days. Nature is just a marvel, an absolute marvel. I think we're going to have a lot of apples, or a lot more apples, let's put it that way. Let's not get too enthusiastic. I think we're going to have a lot of pears. The blossoms or anything to go by. We'll have some blueberries. Oh, is that what I think it is? Ah, the swifts are back. Oh, the swifts are back. That's when you know it's summer. Not all of them. Not all of them, just a few of them. There's one, you stinker. Yep, they're back. Right. It's been a warm couple of days. We'll see you later for the next one.